What's brappin', Sled Addicts? We have big news for you. We have officially launched the Sled Addict store, where we are selling merchandise and apparel to fit your needs. Head over to sledaddicts.com to check out our wide variety of sweaters, shirts, headwear, and lifestyle items, including masks, mugs, stickers, bags, and more. When you click on an item, you will see the various color options and sizing available to suit your style. If you are viewing this video, you have the opportunity to save 10% on your order of $50 or more. All you have to do is like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you do that, send an email to sledaddicts@gmail.com with a picture showing that you are subscribed, and we will give you a coupon code to use at checkout. Don't wait long, because this sale will end on November 30th. As always, thank you all for continuing to support Sled Addicts, and we hope our content keeps getting better and better. Now on to our usually scheduled programming. What's going on, guys? Jesse from Sled Addicts. It's Saturday morning at around 10 a.m. I'm just heading up to Schomberg, Ontario to pick up my trailer. I had some preseason work done. And for those of you that have snowmobile trailers, getting your preseason maintenance done is super important so you don't end up breaking down or having a problem while on the road, especially when you're going on a multi-day trip, because something as small as a flat tire or any issue with your trailer could ruin a whole trip. So I know this firsthand because about 2 years ago, it was the end of the season in April, and we were heading up to Cochrane to end off the year. And about 40 kilometers south of Cochrane, just north of Smooth Rock Falls, it was about 10:30 at night. All of a sudden, I see sparks in my left rearview mirror. And I look back, and I get out of the car, and lo and behold, one of my trailer tires blew completely off. The nuts and the hub stayed on the trailer, but the wheel itself with the rim came right off the truck, or right off the trailer. So we tried to replace it, but we couldn't because the nut, or the bolt rather, that the nut would go into was broken within the hub, so you couldn't actually get the nut off to put on a new tire. So we had to limp it to Cochrane 40 kilometers really, really slowly. It took us about 3 hours on top of the 7-hour drive. We got to Cochrane, and we were lucky that there's a trailer place actually that was right across the road from the Westway Motel where we stayed. So we got the trailer fixed by the time we went home 2 days later, so it didn't ruin our trip, but we very easily could. So getting your trailer work done is super important. And I found a guy actually on Facebook about 2 years ago. His name is Thomas in Schomberg, Ontario. And he every bit of work we needed done to the trailer, whether we wanted to add something or we wanted new lights or we needed to fix things, he was always there for us, and he's been amazing. So I'll throw his number up in the video if anyone has any trailer service requests they need. You can reach out to him, and he'll do an awesome job. We'll see you guys there. I almost forgot to mention that I'm with a friend of mine, Teeny Deaners. Teeny Deaners, say hi.
Hi.
Are you excited to come snowmobiling for your first time this year?
Yeah, we're gonna full send it, bud.
Nice. See, we got another sledder there. We're gonna full send it.
And we're back.
Am I good?
And look what's happening. We're gonna attach the trailer. Jess is in action. Oh, something moved. It's promising. I don't exactly know how trailers work, but things keep shaking. My old gymnastics coach, his name is also Thomas, and he's also from Schomberg. So, Thomas, if you're watching this, hey. Sorry, I have been not keeping up with my conditioning.
Okay, so I picked up my trailer from Thomas in Schomberg, and now we're headed to the cottage, and we're gonna make a quick stop at Uxbridge Motorsports, the BRP dealer, Uxbridge Motorsports Marine, to just pick up some things I need for today, and then we'll get to the cottage and record some video.
We've arrived at the motherland!
Yeah, fucking turn around in this place.
Aloha. Teenagers, oh, this is not a look, but I was wearing the hat, apparently, to look like a sled chick. I didn't know that was a thing, but I've learned a lot today. We went to the home of the Ski-Doos. Very expensive operation they got going there. Like, you've got to see this place. They have like 5 Ski-Doos, and then they have all the merch, and then you go up to the counter, and as if as if you haven't already spent like 10 grand on the snowmobile, you gotta buy everything else that goes with it. Jess was standing up at the counter talking about all the things you can buy for your snowmobile, and each one's like $200.
I'm going to pee.
Why is each thing $200? Jess is going to pee. Is this not for filming?
It doesn't matter, you're not going to see anything from that angle.
Okay. So I've never seen anything like it. Like, you already bought the snowmobile, and then you have like the trailer, and then you have like the snowmobiles in the trailer, but then there's like accessories and stuff. Jess sees like a hat he likes, and I mean, he already has this one, but like, why, when you already have one, you need like 5 more? So we got a hat. And then he's like talking to the lady there about all these things, and about how the Ski-Doo gear isn't out yet, and about how there's a new hoodie that it's not a zip up, it's a hoodie, because Ski-Doo's never come out with that before. And how there's things for the trailer and things for the snowmobile, and it always costs $200. That's the magic snowmobile number. Like, if you ever go into the snowmobile store, you just always expect to spend at least $200. Is that a bee?
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
I have things to say.
Okay. You can stop recording.
No. No, I can't. Why did it turn off? Oh.
The screen turns off.
No.
Okay, so we've got to the cottage, got the sled unloaded. We're gonna actually lift up the track and give it a good wash, because I had to back it up onto grass the other day and it got muddy. But just to give you guys an overview of what we actually got done with the trailer. So we've been taking it to Thomas for a few years now. He did our rear right tire. We needed a new tire because it had a flat. So we got that tire changed. We also busted one of our hinges on the back of the trailer, which he replaced. And then I actually had a problem where none of my outside lights were working, but we got that fixed. It ended up being that part of the 7-way, one of the cables in the 7-way connection was had been ripped somehow, which we don't know how, so that got fixed. He put in a brand new 7-way connection for us, and it's working perfectly. He also, some of the cables that hold the front door were a little bit loose, so he tightened that up for us. And then he did the normal yearly maintenance. He checked our brakes, the trailer brakes, and he also changed the grease fittings and did all of that. So the trailer is ready to go for the season, and we're gonna give the XRS a little clean job right now. Okay, so we got her all cleaned up. Her. Snowmobiles are a her. Come on, Adina.
Like boats?
Any motor vehicle is a her.
Like a car?
Yes, a car is a her, depending on what car is. But yeah, so the sled's all nice and cleaned up, and we're gonna take it off the hoist, and then another video will be coming soon. If you liked that video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Sled Addicts YouTube channel, where we release content on everything snowmobiles. Also, hit that bell icon so you can be updated every time we release new videos.